Hi everyone, today is Sunday, September 25, and I made a little note to myself to make this video, and you know what, I don't even know what to call this video, but I was like, you know what, I have to ask these dirty MDs out there this question. First of all, some of you guys gloat, say, hey, you're in this or that or whatever, and you collect whatever you collect, and you know what, you just collect stuff to get bling. You don't even care about what exactly you guys are doing, and gals as well. And I realize there's all, colors of this thing called dirt in MD culture. So my question to all the dirt, and we're people of the soil, you have these records that you create about people, or these little medical stories that you write about people. We just need to know, how do you actually audit those records? For example, how do you get patients to audit their medical records? And if you don't, why not? Because one of the problems with this is that, how do we actually know that what is written about a person is actually true? Because if there's no patient perspective on stuff that's documented through paper, even things on some kind of computer system, you actually should be sending stuff to your patients saying, you know what, you need to come in at some point to, just take a look at your records, just to make sure everything is, consistent with what you understand as well. But you know what? You guys don't even do that. And as a matter of fact, if we look at, for example, let's say the last 100 years in this thing called the practice of biomedical medicine, in the Western reading of something called health and care, why has not one person come forth and said, you know what, people, something doesn't make sense here? Because you know what, when you actually are billing public infrastructure for things that are not authentic, then you figure that out. Dirty docs and related to MDs, how exactly and where on your medical stories about patients is the perspective of the patient? One solution to that is this. Call your patients up and say, you know what, I'd actually like to meet with you because we're going through some restructuring. And what we'd like to do is we'd like to improve the service for you. Because dirty docs, without the patients, you have no bling. So you know what, I'd like to know, what exactly are you guys doing when you go through this audit process? Because you know what, from our perspective, it makes absolutely no sense whatsoever. You're actually getting paid from the public service, or you're getting paid from the public purse, from things that are not even true. How many people actually read the medical stories written about them and sign off on that stuff? More than just a signature, a commentary from the person. They should actually give you something, one page written. This is what I understand about this. This is what I agree with. I don't know where the hell this stuff came from. None of that. In at least the last 100 years. Why is that? I'd like to know.